Vienna and have a sweet tooth? Then we have the experience for you. Vienna's Zuckerlwerkstatt has brought this 150-year-old tradition back to life. And here you can see how candy is made from scratch. They are only made out of sugar and natural ingredients from Austria. The little pictures inside of the candy are handmade. Can you tell what this is gonna be? There's also a candy tasting included in the tour. Our smiley candy is nearly done, but still a little too big. Now it gets stretched out and cooled down. They only need a spatula, scissors, a lot of skill and perfect timing. After 1.5 hours, over 6,000 sweets are made. This was the most satisfying experience we ever had in Vienna. Book your own experience on their website.